Yeah guys, and welcome back to my channel. That's me again, your great NSC in the place to be. Yeah, here just a quick update. The first thing I have, we can say, managed to get my temperature sensor really perfectly in the middle. The other thing that I wanted to show is also what you can do if you want to take next time your PlayStation 4 apart. So if you want to just, we can say, open it, I'm gonna now show you a great idea which I have also, we can say, show on the PlayStation 3 systems. You're gonna now be able to take all this off here without to open, we can say, the motherboard and we can say the APU clamps. So the first thing you need to do is just to take this screw out here and this one here. If you take them out in future, you will be just able to get all together out. You can say you just need to pull this up here and then it will come all together up. You will not need to open so much. So that means you can let all the APU inside. You can let the APU, we can say, clamps inside and all the screws and all the stuff that is around here. You can just let all together. The only thing you need to do is just to open this ones here on the side and then you can just take all together off. That's really great, guys. So guys, now I need just to take it off again because I'm testing it around and that's why it's a good time to show you how you will now be able to get this all off. Don't forget on the other side to take off your PSU. Don't forget to take off the SSD or HD, and then I'm going to show you now how to take it off. So here, let me now just take off my SSD because I still have it here inside. But this was not just great because I'm here testing around my, we can say, Blu-ray device, and now I need to open it sadly again, and that's why I'm gonna now show you how to take this off easily without now to take the most out. Now you're gonna just take it out without problems, and here we go with included the cooler. Is this great or is this great? Yeah, this is very great. Okay, look, don't need to open it again. The most important is now the cooler is still there, the thermal paste is still there. You will not need to remove or to clean the thermal paste again, just if you want to repair here something on the drive or whatever. This is just great. But you can just do that if you have done also this modification like me, like this fan, because normally the fan is also here, we can say inside. That means you would need to take care of this three, we can say, screws, because here also is the fan later together, but this should not make any difference because the fan will stay here if we have still the original fan. I got here a PlayStation 3 fan, like you already know. Yeah, it's a crazy stuff, but now it's just easy. I can go just here and open it and just do what I want to do here. Sometimes lots of dust is also, we can say, get here all full here and it will just be all full of dust, and it's not good for the, we can say, for the cooling. So that's why you need also here to take care that you have not all full of dust. So yeah, I hope you like it, and yeah, see you soon, guys. That was me, NSC, in the place to be. Bye bye.